Hello, good afternoon, or maybe good morning from Cambodia. Again, this is my honor um, to shoot this video and share with you guys today. I am at one of the international school of Phnom Penh in Cambodia. So today, as usual, I'm going to help you learn a few phrases in Khmer. So my first phrase today for you is very important, and you should be able to use this in Khmer. So the first phrase is in English. You say "I am sick," or you can say "I'm not well today." How would you say that in Khmer? When you want to say "I am sick" or "I'm not feeling well," I'm going to apply the same rule. I'm going to count from 1 to 10 and see, if you can think of how to say it in Khmer while I'm counting. So let's get started. Muối, bí, bảy, bốn, pram, muối, bí, bảy, bốn, đập. Okay, I am sick or I'm not feeling well. In Khmer we say nhóm chư, nhóm chư. Or you can say nhóm ọt sਰੂខ្លួន ខ្ញុំអត់ស្រួលខ្លួនខ្ញុំអត់ស្រួលខ្លួន See the last phrase ខ្ញុំអត់ស្រួលខ្លួន so they are two words together like ស្រួល and then ខ្លួន so the word ស្រួល is equivalent in English like easy easy បាទស្រួល and ខ្លួន we refer to like body. So when your body is not easy, it means you are not well, you are sick. Okay, you are sick when your body is not well. I hope this is helpful for you guys. The second phrase for today is I would say I'm exhausted or I am tired in Khmer. This is an important phrase as well, especially when you want to use it with your friends at work. When you are exhausted, you feel like tired. So again, I'm going to count from 1 to 10. Okay, let's get started. Muối, bí, bảy, bốn, pem, muối, bảy, bảy, bốn, đập. Okay, so I am tired or I'm exhausted. In Khmer we say ខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំងអស់កម្លាំងអស់កម្លាំងអស់កម្លាំងខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំងខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំងខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំង Great. Okay, great. Okay, great. How about this is important if you are here in Cambodia, and you should be able to use this phrase also. Say it is hot. We are talking about the weather. The weather in Cambodia right now, it is so hot. So if you want to say it is hot, how would you say it in Khmer? Hot. So hot. Okay, so again, I'm going to count from 1 to 10. Let's get started. Muối, bí, bảy, bốn, pem, muối, bảy, bảy, bốn, đập. Anybody find the answer yet? And how to say it is hot in Khmer? In Khmer, we say ក្តៅក្តៅក្តៅក្តៅក្តៅក្តៅ See, in spoken in this language is very shortcut. In English, say it is hot, right? You have it and is and hot. in Khmer, we just say the adjective hot. Cái đậu á, cái đậu á, cái đậu á, cái đậu á. And you can say it is hot today. You can say ngày ní cái đậu á. Ngày ní cái đậu á, or cái đậu á. Same meaning. Okay, great, great. Okay, good. Good. And this is also the last phrase is also important. When you want to ask about clock time, right? Like what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? So what time is it? How would you say it in Khmer? Again, I'm going to apply the same rule. I'm going to count from 1 to 10 in Khmer. Let's get started. Muối, bí, bảy, bốn, pram, muối, bảy, bảy, bốn, đọc. I'll say that. I say, what time is it? I know you know this, okay? So what time is it in Khmer? We say, mau manai, mau manai, mau manai. For example, if you want to ask David, hey David, what time is it? Say, David mau manai, David mau manai or mau manai, mau manai. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your time. And if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friend. And don't forget to click and follow my channel. And if you have any comments, any ideas, suggestions, or you want me to teach specific topics that you like, please write your comment down below. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.